Hey guys, Rohan this side and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start today's problem of the day on geeksforgeeks. So what is it? It is max sum without adjacent. Okay, so what exactly they are given here? Given an array ARR of size n containing positive integer, find the maximum sum of the subsequent such that no two numbers in the sequence should be adjacent in the array. Okay, so what exactly it is like they are given us just n is nothing but the length of this array and the array with the positive integers, and we need to find the maximum sum of the digits, but those digits which we are using to get the sum, those digits should not be the adjacent. Like if we are using this first 5, then we can't use the second. If we are using this second 5, then we can't use the first 5 and the 10 also. Okay, so that's why we need to check all these things, and we need to get the maximum sum from this array. So here what we can find like highest value is 100, so we just select 100 first. Then if we select 100, then we can't select 10 and this 10 because those are the adjacent. So if we select 100, okay, then we can't select this 10, then we can select this first 5 or the second 5, or itself we can select the last one. So 5 plus 100 plus 5, the same we can say here, ARR of 0, the first one. Then we can't select second, we can select this 10, but we need to select 100, so we are just skipping this. So 5, 100 and 5, so it's nothing but 110. Okay, so the same we need to find. So let's check this code which I already write in the Python for the same. Okay, so first what I just do here, n is equal to 1. So if there is only one value in array, so whatever is the value, that is itself the sum, or we don't have any other value. Okay, so we just return that. Else we'll just take another two variable, max1 and max2, and we just store the first two values in that, AR of 0 and ARR of 1. And the another variable we just put here, answer, which is nothing but the maximum of the first two. Okay, so we just currently have three values, max1, max2 and maximum of first two in answer. Okay, so after that we are just starting this for loop from the second, I is equal to 2, as we already taken the first two values. Okay, here I just write some print statement to understand. Okay, so let me first compile it, then we can get those results, so that will be better in understanding. Okay, so as I said, for this 5 5 10 100 10 5, we just have first max is equal to 5, max 2 is equal to 5, and answer is just nothing but the maximum of this 2 is just 5. Okay, then we'll start from I is equal to 2 in this if loop. Okay, and then we'll just what we did, current is equal to ARR of 1 plus max 1. So okay, so ARR of 2 is nothing but we can say 10. So 10 plus max 1 is 5. So if we are doing the sum of these two, first and third, so these are not adjacent, so we can do. Okay, and we are just storing that in current value. Okay, and after that we are just putting getting like what are the old answer is nothing but the 5, and the current is nothing but the 15. So whatever is max from old answer and the current, we are just storing that into the answer value. So after that answer is nothing but the 15, and we'll just change the max 1 and max 2. What are the initial first two values, we are just changing it to max 1 is equal to nothing but max 1 comma max 2, whatever the maximum from this two, we are just putting that is nothing but 5 itself. And for max 2, it is max 2 is 5 and the current value which we find here, so we are just putting that 15 into the max 2, and so on. If we are just checking for I is equal to 3, the same we are getting like max 1 is equal to 15, max 2 is equal to 105. Okay, why we are just taking this in place of 15, we are just skip 10 and take 100 and this plus 5. So it's nothing but from 15 it is changed to 105, and the answer is also 105. Okay, and at the fourth step, when we are checking for the fourth, is it's nothing but 10, then we are getting it like max 1 is 105, and we can't change max 2 and answer because we can't add this 100 into the 10 because this is adjacent. Okay, so this is the role of max 1 and max 2. The max 1 is taking the sum of the first and third, and in the max 2 it's taking the sum of just second and fourth, something like that. Okay, that's why we are just getting here two variables, max1 and max2. So we just check like whatever the maximum value we are getting, we can return that. Okay, and at the end we are just getting 105. Okay, and after that, when we are checking for the last I is equal to 5, we are just getting like whatever the answer value is there, that, and the last value a of 5 plus max 1. So max 1 here we can say 105, and a of 5 is nothing but the 5, so it's 110, and at the end we just return the answer, whatever is the answer and the current. The previous answer is 105 and the current value we are getting 110, so we are just returning that. So this is the solution for this problem. Okay, let me just comment this what we can say, print statements. So we are just getting the all answers. Let me compile it again. Okay, first test case satisfies fine. Let me submit it. For all the test cases, 170 test cases are there, and it satisfies for all the test cases within the time limit. Or we can say here we just get a one for loop. So time complexity for of this is O of n only, not much. So it's fine with this solution. And yeah, thanks guys for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will get the solution for all the problems on GFG on daily basis on my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you guys.